What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Cryptocurrency is not really seeing the most positive outlook today. Things are not looking great. They're not looking horrible or absolutely horrible, but they're definitely not looking great. And it's leaning more into the narrative that September is probably not going to be the best month. However, we never really know with cryptocurrency. It surprises us every single day. Whether it's positivity or negativity, it surprises us in things that take off and things that don't take off. But what I want to talk about specifically in this video is something that's exciting for XRP, right? That's what I talk about. I like XRP. I love the position. I love what they have to offer. And anytime there's any good news that I see there, I feel as though I want to share it with you guys. And this is relatively big news because it adds more people to the pot, more eyes to what XRP is, and at least explaining what it is, as well as giving people the urge to ask the questions like, what does it do? Why should I care about this? And all of that. So before we get into this, make sure you guys hit that like button and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out any of the links down below, feel free to check out those links. The links are for Twitter, for Patreon, for Margex. If you guys want to trade up to a 100x leverage or 50x leverage on XRP, feel free to check out that link. That is in the description as well. But also, if you want to check out the link for Trade Assist, if you guys are interested in what this is, which it's basically a tool for everyday investors, right? Where if you are day trading, you are swing trading, you are long-term investing, this is for you. It can help you with understanding where the buy zones are, where the sell zones are, where the bearish momentum or bullish momentum actually is. And what that does for you, especially for a short-term investor, is you get to understand when should I get into this play? When you talk about the long term, when should I get into this play, right? It's giving you all the information that you need. And especially when you talk about dollar cost averaging in, you want to know the best places to dollar cost average in. And if you see that it's at a moment where you need to buy or it says you need to buy, then that's a great place to dollar cost average in rather than dollar cost average in at a sell zone. So anyways, feel free to go ahead and check that out. The link to that is in the description. It's the second link in the description, and you guys can check it out for yourself. Now, like I said, the market is not really at a great place. It's not at the best place. If we refresh this, we're going to see the market is down by 3.5%, down to a $2.02 trillion market cap. We are seeing Bitcoin's dominance decrease, but very barely, right? It's not really decreasing a lot, which is what we're hoping for, what we're looking for when it comes to altcoin season truly happening. But let's bypass that. Let's look at the position that's at hand, which is XRP. XRP currently is down about 0.89%. And you can see, compared to a lot of other things, XRP is kind of outperforming everything. It's only down 1%, while Bitcoin is down by 3.6%. Ethereum's down by 4%. BNB by 4.3%, 6% for Dogecoin, almost 5% for Ton, and so on and so forth. It's outperforming a lot of cryptocurrencies right now, and it's just because of all of the things that it has coming for it and the community strength. But anyways, XRP currently stands at a 58-cent price. It is down about 1% at a 32 or almost $33 billion market cap. Now, the volume is actually at an increase. It's up by 45% to a $1.2 billion mark. We typically see this in the billions. So if it's not in the billions, that's not typical, and we want to see it get back to those points. I think the lowest point that I've ever seen it is actually getting down to about 400 million. I haven't seen it any lower than that, and let me know if you have seen it lower than that at some point. But typically every day, even on down days and on bad days and on less volume days, we're still seeing about $1 billion. And some of the higher days, we're looking at 4 or 5 billion, maybe even 6 billion or so. Obviously, during the time where it pushed up to about $3, it was a lot more. But right now, we're seeing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 billion or so. We also look at the circulating supply. We want to manage that every day. It still seems like it is the same, about 56.39% of the total supply that is out there. Now, again, we haven't seen a lot of movement with XRP, and we want to see more and more. So we have a lot of things that happen with it, whether it's the CEO and the chairman getting rid of all charges, or XRP being labeled as not a security, or Ripple technically winning the battle until we get to whether they're going to appeal or not. Once we get to that, we'll officially know if they have won the battle, because it's all about that ending so partnerships can begin, right? So anyways, what's the news that we have at hand? This is the news, right? XRP relisting on Robinhood could fuel double-digit price rally, push XRP to 66 cents. Now, are we just looking for 66 cents? No. We're not just looking for 66 cents. We're not looking for just that one little thing that's like, oh, it's going to push it all the way up. This is something that's compounding, right? You have this plus getting relisted on Coinbase, relisted on Kraken, and having the safety and security to know that it's not a security. To know that your money is secure, to know that your investment is going to increase and the use is going to be there. It's a compounding thing where there's so many different things that factor into this. This is just really a drop in that bucket of overall success or things that are going to happen in the future for Ripple and XRP. But Robinhood brings back XRP to its platform. A commission-free exchange brought back Ripple's XRP token to its platform. However, users have to wait longer before they can begin trading the altcoin. In July 2023, XRP Ledger's native token gained legal clarity and was relisted at major crypto exchanges worldwide. However, it was not relisted or even to view it on Robinhood. But now you have the ability to do that, as you can see here. And if we go over to Robinhood, you can see that it says XRP can't be traded on Robinhood. Only real-time market data is available. So at least it's kind of a stepping stone. It's that step up to say you can view it. And once you can view it, now people can learn maybe a little bit more about it, or ask the questions that they need to ask, and then go and search. What is Ripple? What is XRP? And that's the way that they're listing it as. They're listing it as Ripple. It's obviously going to have to change at some point because this just doesn't. When you look at XRP and you look at Ripple, and when Ripple does become publicly traded, that's a whole nother situation. So right now it is viewable. It is something that's listed there. It's just not tradable to everybody, which once you do get that ability, that opens up, 20 plus million users on Robinhood to trade XRP actively, just like they do Dogecoin or Shiba Inu or Bitcoin or Ethereum or ADA or Solana or many others that are on this platform as well. It opens up a big door for a lot of investors to now have eyes on this play as well, just like an ETF would as well. So this is honestly big news. It's not something that's the end all be all news for this to happen, because obviously you would need trading to happen in order for it to be affected and have more and more people that are investing into it. But you do see that it's definitely trending higher than the rest of the market. It's at a 1% loss, while everything else you see is at a 4, 5, 6% loss. So it definitely has a little bit of hype and a little bit of attention more towards the positive side for XRP than that negative side. So let me know what you think about this. Is this big news, or is this a nothing burger? Because everything that I look at, again, it's a compounding thing. It's all that leads up to what the big push will be, and what XRP will be used for, what Ripple will do, and who they will partner with, all of that. So in my opinion, yeah, it's big news. In your opinion, maybe. Depends who you are. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below for Margex, Twitter, Patreon, as well as Trade Assist. I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.